everyone, welcome to another video with Crafuel Outdoors. My name is Katerina and today I'm the one who is going to walk you through all the details about our Summitbreeze tent. As you can see, it is here already and I'm going to show you all the details about it. But first, let's talk about the size and let's talk about the weight of this tent. This tent is going to be 89 inches in length and 62 inches in width. Also, once it is closed, this tent is 8 inches only. It is definitely one of the thinnest tents on the market. It's definitely going to look very nice on your car. The aerodynamic design is also going to save you a lot of money on fuel on a yearly basis. The tent is 176 pounds and it's going to be very easy for one person alone to open it and use it, but I'm going to show you those details in a moment. Now let's talk about the frame. The whole frame is made out of aluminum honeycomb plate with stainless steel fixings. It makes the top cover plate very solid and durable. It has a compact design that saves the space when it's retracted, and it's highly wind resistant to make your journey safer. The tent also has 2 rooftop bars that are included in the package. You get them once you buy the tent and you can put them on the top. Many customers have mentioned many times how important it is for them because it's going to save a lot of space in the car. You can easily put your bicycle, surfboard, or whatever you need to travel with. Now let's talk about the hardware. One of the most important pieces of the hardware is going to be the latch. Its endurable design is going to be perfect and it's going to work all the time, no matter how many times you open it and close it. Another very important part are our aluminum alloy leathers. These ones have amazing design, but first of all, they're going to be very light and they can endure up to 330 pounds. When it comes to design, they have the anti-pinch design on the part of the leather, so it's never going to pinch your fingers. Another part of the design that is really good are these fixing parts on the top, so you can move the leather along the tent and it's never going to stand on the way of the door. Now let me show you how easy and simple it is to open this tent. What we are going to do first is detach these 4 latches on the side. Gas strut with patent hydraulic cylinder mechanism open the tent automatically. We offer 2 pieces of spare locking sticks to lock into gas strut on both sides, to avoid accident in case of extreme weather and to make your journey very safe when you use the tent. So now we are going to make this U-bar place into the place. First of all, we need to press this button and extend fully one side, and then press on the other side and extend fully the other side. Now we are going to undo the zipper. Let me show you quickly. We're going to undo the zipper here in the middle. And we have this quick release pole that we need to fix. And that is all. Then you've set it up your tent and you're ready to camp. So now that we're inside, this is a tent that is 55 inch and it's going to be comfortable for 2 adults sleeping inside. Let's talk about some external features. The tent is protected by a waterproof rainfly 210D ripstop polyoxide PU coated 3000 mm with silver coating. UPF 50+ provides excellent protection. If it's pouring rain outside, you still feel dry and comfortable inside of the tent. Inner material is 190G ripstop polycotton PU 2000 mm. The next thing is our removable shoe bags. You can attach it outside to the tent to store your muddy shoes. The Summitbreeze has 2 side windows at each side and 1 big door to give you a 180-degree view. Each window has 2 layers, the mesh and the waterproof cloth. If you want to get a little extra airflow while keeping those bugs away, just open 1 layer and sleep just like that. With YKK zipper, make your slide quite smooth. It is much better experience than SBS zippers which are usually used. If you want ventilation, you can open this 4th window and now you have airflow going 360 degrees around the tent. Let's talk about the mattress. It has 2 layers, 1.2-inch high-density foam and 1.26-inch EP in the bottom. That makes a total of 2.8 inches thick, high-density foam mattress with an insulated cotton cover. It's soft and comfortable. We have 210D polyoxide floor to reduce condensation. We've got 2 storage bags on each side. Above that is our detachable and dimmable LED light strip, powered by a USB that you can connect to a portable power bank. It helps to light up the tent at night. You can adjust the brightness by this small controller. So this was a walkthrough for a Summitbreeze Hardshell tent. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is a very easy to use and comfortable tent. If you have any more questions, make sure to visit our website, Crafuel.com, or just give us a call. Our experts would love to answer to all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching.